Hi, ARK fans. Welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. In 5 minutes or less, let's go over March 11 data. And it was a really good day overall, especially for ARK. So that's good news. And in highlights today, in positives, they added more position to Skills, Teladoc Health, and Ping An. On the downside, they reduced their position in Facebook, Taiwan Semiconductor. Also, they continue to reduce. And there is a new entry, guys, in our Q fund, the robotics and autonomous. To find out which one, stay tuned. And please like and subscribe and support this channel. I'll see you on the other side. Ready, set, let's go. It's gonna be a show. Hi guys, welcome back. In the ARK summary section, we go over the overall trends of high-level KPIs like market value of all their ETFs combined. It is at 50 billion today, which is 7.2% up. That's really good news. From 47.1 billion yesterday to 50.5 billion today. And if we take a look at ETFs, you'll see that all of them are up compared to yesterday, especially RK, which is Innovation Fund. Their biggest fund is 8.5% up. Then Genomics is up 6.6%. Next Generation Web is 6.3. ARK FinTech 6.7, 5.4, 4.9, 3.8. So all of them together combined, they have made an uptick of 7.2%, which is great. Now, in terms of companies, there have been some ups and downs recently. We know yesterday they invested in Roblox, which is a great gaming platform and game creation platform. So we saw that uptick. Today it's is flat. It's 265 companies that they have diversified in, but we know there is a new entry in ARKQ, which is robotics and autonomous ETF. So we'll go over that in a new company section. By ETF, if you slice that 50.5 billion that they have invested, this is how the slices would look like. RK being almost 50% of the overall fund, innovation followed by genomics, followed by web, robotics, fintech, print, and Israel. We all are waiting for the space ETF to be added, and hopefully we can show that slice how much it is of the overall pie. Combining all these ETFs together, the ranking of companies, we know Tesla, Teladoc Square, Roku, Zillow is the new entry in top 5. It used to be Baidu, which went down, followed and then Shopify came into picture in top 5, which again went down, and now it's back Zillow. So Zillow is number 5 now. So those are some of the companies we keep track of. If there is any other company that you want to see how it has been climbing up the ladders of this ranking in ARK Fund, let me know. I can show you that. We always keep an eye on, for example, Nano Dimensions. So let's see where it is. It's generally in 80. Oh, look at that. It's back up to 77, guys. So this is great. Nano Dimensions went down all the way to 90 something rank. First it went to 80 something, then 90. Yesterday it climbed up to 80s, and now it's back in 70s. So this is great. So if we hover over it, we'll see the 2 line charts pop up. And they have added a little bit of position today too, but the stock price going up quite a bit today because they released their earnings report. They beat the revenue, looks like, and hence the stock price is up. So that's great, guys. So Nano Dimension finally coming back up. So maybe we'll do a separate video on that over the weekend. So that's our summary section. Let's go over to the biggest moves quickly. So not a lot of activity today. So I have a threshold of just 4% here. We always look at biggest moves 2 ways, as people who have subscribed know about it. For the new people who are watching, we look at biggest move 2 ways. One is by percentage of shares compared to yesterday, what changed, and then also by dollars, that is market value, because some company percentage of shares change could be 1%, but they can make a big impact to the bottom line because their share price is high. So in terms of percentage of shares, Ping An Health, which is a Chinese healthcare company, they added 35% extra shares to it, taking overall to 3.8 million shares. As I hover over these bar charts, you will see the trends of 3 things. One is share count, second stock price, and third market value that ARK is holding. So the stock price is up as well slightly, and they added a lot of shares, and market value going up by 40% total. So that's Ping An Health. 3D Systems is a 3D company, which is we'll go into the details in next section, but 25% extra shares added there, a big uptick, big peak that you see in shares count there. Stock price also doing recovering from past few weeks, and that's 3D Systems. Skills, again, they continue to show confidence in that, and as the stock price also continues to recover there. So that's Skills. followed by Teradyne, Zogan. You can pause the video to take a look at the trends if you want. And let me know in comments if there is any other company that ARK is invested in and you want to see the trends for. So dairy, Facebook, they continue to reduce, and Taiwan Semiconductors also, they continue to reduce, even though today the stock price has gone up. Now, in terms of biggest moves by dollar, I only see positives, guys. There is no negative. You'll see negative only if you go below the threshold of 5 million. But Teladoc Health looks like they bought 3.5% more shares of it, which takes their position to 12.3 million from 11.9 million yesterday, which is like addition of 400,000 shares. This is rounded up value, guys, so it's somewhere near 400,000 shares approximately. Then stock price also ticking up, taking the overall value $250 million added to the fund. So that's the biggest addition today, followed by Tesla also recovering. Looks like today it's almost touching 700. 699 is the price, stock price, and they added some more 4.1% extra shares there. So that's great. Their top 5 companies are doing great. Looks like they are back on track. 181 million added from by Square. So this is, again, they added some position, and the stock price recovering, and a combined effect causing the overall fund to go up by $181.5 million. So a lot of positives. Zillow is in top 5 now. A little bit of position added there, and stock price also recovering back up. So those are the positive companies, guys. And they are all recovering, looks like. So that's great. Now let's go to the new companies section. In new companies, yes, it is 3D System Corp, which showed up in the biggest move section as well. Ticker symbol DDD. It's added to RQ fund. It has always been there in other funds. We'll take a look at which one quickly, but it has been there in other funds, and today added to RQ as well. Shares, 0.2 million shares added, of value 6 million, which is like, in comparatively speaking, relatively speaking, is at the tail end of the fund, but still quite a bit. Then we'll look at the overall, how much is the value in the fund. Then $29.92 the stock price. Let's go to the spotlight quickly and look at 3D Systems. 3D, just to check the history on that. Yeah, that's the big uptick, and if you break it by ETF, you will know where it's added. So it's added in RQ, 0.2 million, 200,000 shares added there, and the stock price is recovering back to almost $30. So that's great, guys. And market value also going back up, because this is just a function of these two. So let me know in the comments if you want to see trends of any other company as held by ARK. Not this is not the trend of that you can go check on Yahoo or something, but this is within ARK, how each company has been trending, how have they been investing in, and how the stock price has been, market value. This kind of tells you a little bit about their strategy also. So yeah, let me know. Please like and subscribe, and thank you all for watching your daily dose of ARK information, and I'll see you tomorrow.